Shea butter is a great way to get super smooth, hydrated skin. And did you know it's really easy to make at home?
Our next guest is going to show us how. Welcome Brent Williams from Iron Oak Fitness. He's a big fan of mixing his own body butter. Okay, there you go. How you doing, sir?
Hey, I'm good, man. How are you guys?
Great, good to see you. Okay, normally
nice
when you come to visit us, you are a trainer. You show us workout moves and exercises we can do. What made you want to talk about this?
Well, I'm a big fan of nutrition too, and I've got kind of a hippy-dippy background, and I just like this stuff. I think it's awesome, and it's important to keep our skin healthy also.
Yeah.
It's our largest detox organ, so it's a good idea to make sure it's getting what it needs, and we can actually feed our skin the things it needs through what we apply topically.
And that's why you like to make your own, because you know exactly what's going into it.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's super simple. In fact, it really is just these 4 ingredients. Almond oil, that's kind of a carrier oil. It helps break it up a little bit.
Okay.
The shea butter is fantastic. This is great for stretch marks. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Yep, it's great for moisture. This plumps our skin up.
Coconut oil is so great.
It's loaded with great antifungal, all kinds of cool things. And then this here is coconut butter. Cocoa butter. And cocoa butter, kind of the same deal. It's full of antioxidants. So if you can apply those topically to the skin, you're basically putting a barrier on your skin and feeding it the fats it needs at the same time, so it maintains health, and you're radiant, and you're pretty, and who doesn't want to be that, right? So
we like the sound of that very much.
So
again, all of these items are something that you could get at any local health food store.
Any of the health food stores. I've seen some of it in grocery stores sometimes. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I've done basically, I kind of did this step at home. You want to get yourself a double boiler. Yep. And this is a very simple process, and once you buy this stuff, this could last you for 6 months easy.
Okay.
So you boil your water, obviously. You know how to use a double boiler, and then you put a half a cup of each of these ingredients in here. You let it simmer. It'll eventually become a liquid, and then I just put it in this mason jar, and then I put it in the fridge. You want to let it start to sit for about an hour, and then you just dump it in this guy. And in about 400 years, it will become butter. Yeah.
You started this in the commercial before the segment, and I guess it's not coming to the consistency that you want at this moment.
But it will.
Live television.
Yeah, I know, right? You never know what you're going to get. And so there's one other thing, guys, I wanted to talk about. You can add essential oils to this. Like this.
Well, that's why this smells amazing. I know it's not just these ingredients.
No, it's definitely not. That kind of cake smell, that chocolate smell is the cocoa butter. But I like to put different things depending on what I need for my own body. I'm a big fan of lavender oil. Lavender oil soothes muscles. It's great for sunburn, all kinds of things. So it's great to add in here also. And then I like peppermint. Peppermint, same deal. It's cooling to the skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties also. And it's great for any sort of burn. So the point is you can feed your skin healthy things and basically wear this barrier all day that prevents all of those things, helps to prevent eczema, keeps your skin healthy. So that's the deal.
And really soft like butter. By the way, Healthy Home Market has a great selection of essential oils, and they will help you there at the store too. If you tell them what is ailing you, they can help you decide on the essential oil that works. You think this is a great gift idea, correct?
I do, and it should be ready by Christmas. So it'll be just in time,
Start now, and you can make it for one person. Also, but kids can be involved in this, and I know you believe in that. You like kids to learn about fitness, health, and nutrition, also about what they're putting onto their body.
Get more tactile and become involved. That's how we learn about our gifts, and that's how people learn about what they're into by the things I did with my parents, my grandparents. So that's important. Is
this also cost effective too?
Super cost effective. Like this is kind of a grip in the very beginning, meaning that it costs a little bit of money. But the thing is this will last me easily 9 months. So and it's good for you. The point is we can with a little consciousness we can put good things in our body all the time and feel well, or we could take the easy route and get things and we don't really know what's in them. We don't really know what the additives are. And we don't know what they're actually doing to our skin. So we can feed ourselves.
Do you put this on like after you get out of the shower? Or
that's the best time to moisturize, I think. You had mentioned exfoliating earlier to me today. That's a really good thing too. It helps to break up dead skin. You can make those with home products also. Brown sugar is a good way to do that. But then after the shower, your pores are open and they're more susceptible to absorbing moisture, and that's my favorite time to moisturize.
You don't have a body butter done, or was that going to be it?
You guys.
Is there protection against the sun also with this at all?
Yeah, say it one more time.
Is there protection against the sun?
There isn't, but you know what? You can add zinc.
You can add some stuff like that.
You can add mineral compounds to this and make your own. So anyhow, it takes about longer than we have apparently, but it makes a great consistency. It's real whippy and
I can't eat this, right?
Isn't he great? Don't you love him? You can find out more about Brent by going to ironoakfitness.com. ironoakfitness.com. He can help you with your exercise routine, with what to eat, and
I'm a Renaissance man.
He really is.
All right. Well, thanks, guys.
Good job. Thank you, Brent. Thank you. We appreciate it. We'll keep working on that in the commercial break.
Wrap it up.